Dsoleil. So I'm here with another video. I want to go ahead and say, if you like this bob, this loc bob, we tried our best and it was a trial and error kind of thing. So this is not a tutorial, y'all. Y'all know I'm not giving y'all a tutorial. I'm just coming on here and giving y'all something while I'm in quarantine because I had to do something to the hair. But check out the edges. Yes, your girl is lit. So I did a tutorial on this hair. I will show you all the hair I used in the video. I'll show you the number of packs of hair we used in my video. My sister actually tried to do a loc bob. So y'all tell me if y'all feeling it. The final result will be in the video as well, but I did go through and I started to cuff the ends because I didn't like how some of them looked stringy. I'm trying to find one so I can show you all. Because I left a few of them so that I can show y'all. But I literally just wrapped it back up. It was nothing too serious. I'm breathing so like I'm so out of breath. So I just wrapped it back up. So that's what I did to the ends. I want to show y'all some of the parting and what it looks like. I'm going to turn around. This is a week later. My hair is a week later. I'm finally ending the video out. I could go and add some hair clips. This might be some that I go ahead and put on my hair because I'm really a hair jewelry person. So y'all tell me what y'all want me to see put in my hair for the next loc video, because I'm gonna do a lot of loc styles because I big chop, I know, again, but I didn't record the big chop because I didn't think that y'all cared. So I'm gonna keep my hair put away unless y'all wanna see like a natural hair video or something. But get into it. So first things first is you want to make sure that your hair is extremely moisturized, especially when you're doing protective styles. So she went in with some of the creamy shea butter, and also we went in with a whipped creamy shea butter in the scent strawberry, making sure she gets all of my ends since I did big chop. After that, she made sure she went in and put my hair into small plaits. We wanted it more on the medium size because I didn't want the locks to be too small or too big. So we did about 45 locks in my head in total, and I wanted her to do a side part because I knew which way I wanted to wear my hair. She took a crochet needle to crochet through the loc through my plait, the root of my plait, and then crocheted my plait through the loc. After pulling that through, she made sure that the loc in my plait was secure. She began to unravel the loc and cover my plait with it. Once she got about a way she was a piece that she was happy with, she took the crochet needle and crocheted my braid through the rest of the loc. The hair we use is going to be a picture on the screen, but it was the Freetress 2x BOHO locs. These are pre-made locs, and we used about 2.5 packs of those. The hair we used to wrap with was the Freetress hair. You can use any color you like, but we used the Freetress, and I got the number 1 and also a number 30 or 27. She then took the Freetress hair out of the pack and began to separate it how she wanted to. What I don't show you in here is that we actually use a piece of spring twist. Right here is a spring twist. It was already out of the pack, so I couldn't show you what it looked like, but any brand of spring twist will do. She began to crochet through the Freetress and the spring twist after having the BOHO loc and my hair already secure. She pulled one side of it through, and then when she began to wrap, she made sure she was wrapping the Freetress and the spring twist at the same time over the other pieces. As she began to get closer to the bottom of the lock, she started to do little knots just to make sure that it would stay secure, and then use the rest of whatever was left to wrap back up the lock. If you see those little bubbles on it, that is the spring twist. I intentionally wanted her to leave it like that so that it would give more of a boho effect. So all she did was put her thumb in the way when she was coming down on certain pieces. Now we're going to show you what this final lock looked like. It's nice, boho, and it's exactly what we were going for. On this part, she wanted to make sure she included a part where you all were able to see her separating the hair. So we have this little braiding rack that we got from Walmart or the hair store, but she's just going to show you how she separated the colors that I wanted, and so that when it's time to go through and actually input the Freetress and the lock, we don't have to waste time. It could be very quick. This is the color I used. I wanted to get a nice pop in summer, and she's just going to show you how she broke them apart. At this point of the video, we were almost done, and I was tired of sitting down, and I was so happy we were close to the end. So this is what we were looking like halfway through. We just had the front to get finished with. So this was the final result. I hope you all loved it. We added some color in between. This is before I let my sister practice on my eyebrows, but I hope you all enjoyed the video. I absolutely loved my hair. It was full without being too heavy. It was very lightweight and still very summer. So hopefully we're off quarantine pretty soon, because your girl is popping. Stay tuned for another video. Thank y'all for checking in. Love y'all.